I built and published a website faster than it took me to create this video. The best part is that AI took care of the design, SEO, and content automatically. In this video, I'll show you how to use Readdy AI to create a website and do other designs. Welcome to Ray Creators Lab, where we discuss everything AI and online tools. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and also let me know what you think about Readdy AI in the comments section. Readdy is like a robot that helps you design. You just say your idea, and it creates a website or app screen for you. You don't need to be a designer or know how to code. So how do I get started with Readdy? First, go to readdy.ai. Click on Get Started. Then, sign up with your email. Once you are on the dashboard, describe what you want. For example, I want a simple fitness website page with a logo, picture, and sign-up button. Customize the text and images with a few clicks. Then, publish with custom domain. Readdy takes your idea and turns it into a design. It looks neat and professional. You also get actual code to start building it immediately. Quick and simple. Why choose Readdy? With Readdy, no need to hire a designer. It saves you a lot of time. Readdy gives you real code. Anyone can use it, even kids. Readdy is perfect for people starting projects, apps, or businesses. To try Readdy, visit readdy.ai, type your idea, see it turn into a real design with code. It's easy, quick, and enjoyable.